Yo, what up? How's it going? So today probably you're using the craft team and you're wondering exactly how you can remove or maybe hide your cat icon from your Shopify header. Okay. Today I'm gonna put you through on how you can remove it just like this and turn it to this. Okay. So let's go straight to the video. Tataria. Right. So the first thing you want to do is to come here to your online store, Teams, and the drill. You come here to craft. So you want to click on customize. So once you hit on customize, you're going to land here just like this, which is the normal customization section. So you want to come here to the left side of your, page layout, and you want to click on header. Okay. I mean, this header, there are two headers here. We have this one and this one. So you want to click on the second one here. So you want to click on header, which is this section. So you want to come here, scroll down, and you want to come to custom CSS. And I'm going to give you a simple code. Now, do not forget, this is easy. Just copy paste. That's all. It's something that even a 90-year-old woman can do. Okay, or a retired man. Okay. So now, right here is the code, is the CSS code. So just go copy this. Okay. Once you copy just like this. You just check on this. I'm going to give you the link to this doc. So remove using CS. So you want to come back here and you want to paste. That's all. That's all. It's going to be removed. That's all. So you see, it's no longer there. So this is how you can do that. And maybe you want to hide it. You don't want to remove. You just want to hide from, your store. So you can just come back. So I already removed that code. So you can see it's back already. So the moment you do that, please go ahead and save and you're done. Okay. But I'm not saving. So now, if you want to hide it, come here, craft, draft. Then you want to click on the three dotted line and you want to click on edit code. So while this page is loading, the editor, I want to come back here to the doc file, okay? And you want to scroll down to this part that says to hide it using base, okay? So we're just going to copy just like this. So just copy up to the full stop. You can see these are short codes that are very effective. And you want to come back, or it's still loading. All right, so now once you are right in the editor, the coding editor, or whichever one, you can see craft. You want to click on assets, drop down. You want to click on base.css. Click that. Then you want to scroll down, 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 just like this. Yep. Yep. So you want to scroll down to the last part, and you want to just paste that. So you see, just this. That's all. Okay. Paste and click on save. And once you click on save, just like this, just head back. You see, it's no longer there. So it's been hidden already. All right. So this is how you can do this. And maybe you don't want to use, maybe you want to use custom CSS also. I mean, custom liquid. Let me just remove this. Okay. Then I save. It's going to be back. Yep. See, it's back. Okay. So now maybe you want to use custom liquid. Though the reason why I don't like custom liquid is because there's a gap that it skips, but maybe you just want to learn about custom liquid. Just come here to the header, this header section, this header part, click on, let me first click on hard block. Okay. Say custom liquid is not a block. Click on hard section, then click on custom liquid. You can see. Okay. And click on the custom liquid. We've added it. So when I click this, and you want to copy this code for custom liquid. This one here that says to remove using CL. So you just copy that. And come back and you want to paste, and yep, it's no longer there. Okay, so this is how you go about removing or hiding your cat icon from your Shopify header in the craft team. Okay, so this is also applicable to the Dawn team also, but well, you're using craft, so this is it. So I believe this video has been helpful. Please make sure that you hit the red subscribe button, guys. Please subscribe so that at least you guys, that's the best thing you can do for me to at least motivate me to keep creating videos for you guys, because I need you guys to watch the videos. Okay, so thank you very much. I will see you in another video, and I believe this video has been helpful. Please subscribe, like, and also possibly share with friends, family, and I will see you in another video. Peace and have a nice day ahead. Bye.